खुरुमजरे ISTV न्यूज़ बैंक ताबिरु पुनः पुताराम नोक्सरे हुजहान रंगसी मोरि पाउ लोबिसे लमदम असिदा खुंदामिनरिबा पुरुपसिंग मरक्ता लेनरिबा नुंगसिनबगी मरी कायहंदनबा सीनियर सिटीजन फॉर सोसाइटी ना होनगदोरी हौजी पाउ सनो पिजरे लमदम असिदा ngalingay matamdagi hawna amatoina leminaraklaba tongan tonganba phurupsing marakta leinariba nungsibugi mari ase thugaina ba honarakliba ase senior citizens for society na sabsana thengnaduna amatoibagi nungsinaba kahandana ba honagadori senior citizens for society Manipuri gi saigi mifam ngasi government dance college ke hall pangthoki ngasi pangthoki ba mifam aduda society gi president Laisom Lalit vice president RV Mingthing Muhammad Jalat Khan coordinator Dr M Nara general secretary L Sadanandana Singh Muyana Suraki Dr M Narana Hausi Reba Lamdamasi Todo Wato Kaya civil society organization Singa Mapunga Todang Lori senior citizen Amoina Lakadoriba Mirolbu Lamzing Duna Apaba Amasung Tandu Lataba Lamdama Pornaba Honagani Haiki
Sing Tangi Marata Tungan Group Marata Kai Tomarapa Loyal Sisi Lamzing Bina Karava My day come with a man, over the shut up. The question about the American and a half of situation for that. But the role to be played by this society.
Tawanga mari leina senior citizens for society gi al oreba sing da khudol pot piduna ikai khumna bu utki lekhidaba members singi mafam da su ikai khumna bu utki society gi secretary khaidem manina haikibada society asina housing loriba thodang asi khangduna bharat sarkar masung manipur sarkar na makhoi wa tabiri ngasi lamdam asida ama toibigi mari da pirakliba saitheng asi thengnaduna mahusagi tangdu leitaba lamdam nungsi sanaba punsi marel amada hanjinanaba senior citizens for society na honagani haiki
government of India na government of Manipur na satkangbi raba senior citizen for society na maru na lepa ki aikona ba lawrakpa resolution sing se recommendation sing se masi mapung phana amakoina recognize tawba adi makoina madu yamba adu madu ko mayam ma lei maduna masi senior citizen for society ki mifam masi Manipur ki tungi baiga bita tale mena hona badasu achauba mateng ama onana ba pandagani haiba wa famasi thunjari
Ahan Mau Flower Festival ngarang Mau get leba taxi parking the pangthokre a tribute to Mother Nature haiba theme da Song Youths and Students Organization sindra pangthoke ba festival aduda leimakhal kaya ubada miyamna angak papokna khi hiramasida report ama
Senapati district ki flower grower yankai henmana saruk yakiba festival aduda district asigi DC Jacinta Lazarus Mau Council ki president M Delhi SP Senapati Kavi Travel Development Department ki joint director Kaikho Kapa ex minister Thori civil paramilitary force amadi police ki makok thongba official kya su saruk yakhi district asida fangba atangba leimakhal kya utkiba festival asigi sangdam nabada makok pothang taraba singda Manamathum piduna puning thawatki festival ga mari leinana Mau Council gi president M Dilina Kozari juko gi wathokna Mau gi mahuksa gi punsi amadi nungsi chanana leiminebada apan mapi bangamloi festival asina Mau jati lei matawum puning wakal phajai haiba ayeng masingda phone mangamle festival asi state festival oina chahi khudingi pangtho ningi haike joint director Kaikho Kapana Manipur ki mai oriba sangai festival ase mausa ki phajabana puning chumhalaba mafam singda hong dana pangthok labadi Nagaland gi Hornbill festival de gi hena maming chatuna leibak sigi de natana foreign tourist kya lakhan mangamgane festival asisu orange amadi pineapple festival gum state festival ohalabadi mau jati gi apamba ama thunghan bada natana state ki integrity sagat patusu hena mateng oyengane haike
Tamilong ge werga orange festival and then Thaubalgi, Palgi, Verga, Pineapple Festival. I think Ukrulgi, Verga, Jampragi, the Citrusgi Festival. It is meant to keep on Mayama Malay. But I think this is the history that we have created this day, that you all have participated in this program as Flower Festival of Mao. And this Mao Flower Festival is not only of the Mao community, but this is the whole community of our Manipur.
DC Jacinta Lazarus na Mao se Manipur gi khwaidagi fajaba mafam amani haibada haiman bathokloi atai mafam da udaba atangma lei makal kya thengnabana isor gi thogjal phangba mafam amani haibayai tanglaba lei makal sing ase ningthi na chara semnun thadoklabadi khunja sing gi senmilon phagal hanbada natana Mao gi mingchachu hengatkani festival ase pangthokpagi wahan thoksu hena mapung phagani haike karigidaba festival ase pangthok imino haiba mipum tingna khanganaba hotnamina se haiba appeal su tawki.
I hope that it doesn't stop with this, with our horticulture department, and we have lot of departments who will be willing to, like for Orange we have even NEC funding in crores of rupees, so the same thing can be also tuned into flowers, and we would be able to make such a good commercial thing also. Not only, I mean, of course all of you should not mistake that we are speaking only about the commercial aspect, but it is also essential to have a commercial aspect, to have a sustainable kind of flower growing. And I hope that the next flower festival would be at a very, very big scale, and we would be able to showcase our beauty to the whole world.
Amugwamadi Indragidama Pogdam Jaiba Thiam Ranjan Mao Senapati District.
Panthoibi Magi Thorom Parks and Pangthopiu Haina Southeast Asia Cultural Organization Tharok Pacharaman Kanglakli Kanglai Kunagi Sitaruba Lol Inat Amasung Lining Singba Hingle and Iho Kankan and Bahibase Kanglaja Sing it upon Topa Todang Hari Kanglaisa Miamna Mikaf Tok to the Iramdongi Sana Kanglol Inatpu Sen Ngakpo Oina Panthoibi Imabu Iratoni Thorom Parks and Pangthopiu Haina April Torli How's it Makata Paula Kangeta Timber Beamatang Luminese
Hawk amugumna aigi vision aigi focus mayak silbata maramdi success is about winning.
Imphal East West Amasung Bisnupur District Oina laptop amadi LCD TV loan lobi khudong chao bijari laptop amadi LCD TV pambi muisina apikwa interest ta amadi athubu matamda lobi ba yagani pambi muisina unabiu Imphal Finance Cooperative Trap and Credit Society Limited Head Office Moirangkhom Loklaubung Branch Office Pauna International Market Bisnupur Bazaar Bisnupur.
Hey guys, no the miss call sabe que ay que todo kharch na ya nasigi sama khban khani ay bada sidiya
Adung karigumba awabasing asi mayungnaba thoklaba maroi marang yamna yawba chinjak chaba mapalda toina chaba liver da akaiba laklaba natraga liver gi mapangan chontharakpa tarabasu karishu waningai leitre lifsaf syrup sijinabiu adungi awaba punamak koknabigi pambaini diabetic na naraba anaba singnasu sizinaba yaraba lifsaf capsule shu phangbigani lifsaf syrup amadi lifsaf capsule naraga laingba budi narjingai da saksal hobana hena fei
Manipur gi ahanba beautification center mafam sida mahing uring unsa khoiba ariba dakfam phahan bangami tattoo mole freckle na chingbasu lauthokpa yai hakchang gi ahenba fat pamdaba body gi hair lauthokpa yai ngasi mak unabiu Dr. Madhubala Laser Beauty Clinic MZ Avenue Imphal
Solid battery using torsos. Japanese technology na sama world quite thaba energy set. Masida sanahida mercury yauti adu new bigi haksang amadi akoi bigi film da karigumba akai matapi. Bayam digi mapang kan usuri Panasonic battery using torsos. Seasonally.
Panasonic Sky Hospital Rims Rota ataba mamalda world class heart care gi khudong chaba pizari. Free emergency service kidamak chayol amada pung kunmari mathau tawriba akhoi gi cardiologist ka tanabiu adomna thabak naba wanthabagi history leiba sor honba waba mihul ka hena chongba asina chingba layong sing asi leiragadi thinthaba tawdana Sky Hospital gi heart specialist ka tanabiu
I'm ready. Telero. Editor ka leithe. Some say hujik pudi perfectly straight ado kankhar kandadi freezy. Relax. Perfectly straight.
Aina semi anauba sunsilk perfectly straight with straight lock technology maramdi. Some kankraba matung dasu align straight oina leina bagidama.
Wow. Hujik su straight oirina. Straight and gorgeous. Sunsilk perfect straight. Lock tob you. Rock tob you.
Lengshin birao. Sarma Opticals BT Road Infalna. Special offer pijawaga loinana hodok chare lens khaktumak laigadaba scheme.
Scheme masi pambiba singna isagi mit kachana pa fiber lens ama leibigadabani aduga adomgi apamba frame ama free de pijagani.
Khudong chabasi lobiu.
Ngasimak lengshin birao.
Sarma Opticals opposite Johnson School BT Road Infal.
Admission open for AIPMT 2015 and 16 at As Ayashin Infal Center, Katamtong near Ramlalpur High Secondary School, Infal. Special features: live lectures by Ayashin's doctors, dart removal session after every class, comprehensive study materials developed by experts, 30+ days on latest AIPMT JEE pattern and detailed performance report.
Come join As Ayashin Infal Center.
Shija Diabetes and Hypertension Clinic. Hapta Kudingi Sagol Sen Amasung Thangja. Ayuk pung taret tagi mapan phawba hangjari. Khang hairaba Dr. Singatana baloinana. Free the blood sugar test, ECG amadi urine examination gi khudongchaba phangbigani. Akupa marol gi damag makhada pijariba phone number natraga Sija Hospitals tagi phangbigani.
Irujo Coaching Institute ki CBSE SA2 class 8-9-10 ki admission hojari. Classes starting from Irujo na mayam dagi kitnaba amasung khudong chaba singdi workbook amagi form da question mayam nainaba slide amasung animation galoy na natakpa student assessment 15 days revision amasung satra singi request special classes na chingba thamjari. Contact you Irujo Coaching Institute Kaisampa Thokchom Lekai behind Bego Hotel.
Hainai hakjang phabana lan nasibo ina cheksin na senajai aduna ID caffeine yaudaba CCT khaktamak thai adom su hakjang phana legi harabadi CCT thakpi CCT iramda Manipur da puthokjaba pothokni CCT Simbopogon citratus tea.
Break matungda taram muksari kumbi kendri manung senba borangbi thongka ground ngarang MP Dr. Mainana lamdamadung miam da khusina kre playground khusina bagi thoromadu da kumbi kendri MLA SBra borangbi gram panchayat ke upapradhan Muhammad Abdul Nur Shah yauna mioi kyana sarwakhi taronga mari lenana MP Dr. Mainana haikibada lamdam masida leminar laba ekoi masagi marakta puksel khoijal tinana leminaduna imam tagi masani haibasi kaukthokpa phatte masigi wakhalo lasida tapthaing thena punna wakal khantaminar ba matamda lamdamasi santi lakani haike
aba amata isore so yawunati punamak sindaraga koi min sena la rungatani adamade yengeraga koi punan sinori inilaba ali mari police ha ahu mari se ba kudong ya sadi ai de banjil chumi adatam tanat pare adana pare se kari pare no haida koi ki tusero inilaba mau sadi ke inilaba yamna use project inilaba koi imamati masani koi hawina koi ai mai wakalo sida koi tapthana indena andami raga pura masina si loina mak isona na tem pa kani ai wakalo tunasu ayamna aton thamjeri
MLAS birena hauzaki matamda sana khona bahaibase yamna tangai fadaba ma orakle Manipurna Bharat ki mohut senduna sana khona bagi lamda mangjil thaduna satpakaya yauri sanaroi sengbu afabu masak thokpa mi amamam ohenaba matik saba sanabung thamdaba yade haike mana makha tarduna saukhatpagi matungina lairik haitabasu yadre lairik haibaga loinana imalon busu saukhatnana bkhona gadabani haike
lairik hairaga aikoisi ahanbada aikoigi certificate ama leiraga loire haina khalamase hojikki masi yarakra certificate china akoi court oina orakpa ya masala haibata nan masala hai singi baduna loksingaduna maduki loksingaduni mahanga tawgadriba thabak dasinna doribase aduna lairike thangai senga haitaba yarakta mai khangaba yaraktra loan khangaba yaraktra aduna aikoisu Maitei loan habase mase koina koina masi bhajanaba sokhatnaba koi honaba ta
loiselapda muru pau amuka na bijri lamdamasida khundaminariba furup sing marakta lainariba nungsinabagi mari kayandanaba senior citizen for society na panagadori hawjikiri ISTV na pizza pau matang slojre meng tabi purong amuka na khurumjare